Hey there everybody, how you doing? George aka Agent 86, and today in this video we're going to be helping out one of our clients. I recorded one of our customer service calls, edited a little bit to make it more YouTuber friendly, and just to give you a little taste of what we do here every single day. So let's get this show on the road. You have the asset S912, right? It has 3 gigs of RAM. It has the S912 processor. Yeah, the asset right now. So what I'm looking at on my screen is your screen because I'm connected remotely. Me and you have discussed in the past, and you were having some issue with controlling the unit with the standard remote control, at which time I recommended that you get a mouse, and I can see, because I've seen your mouse moving on the screen, that you're connected pretty good. So this box is already loaded. I'm just going to kind of walk you through a couple steps just to show you how to use Terrarium TV and maybe answer some more questions if that's okay for you. What I would ask you to do first is just click on the word apps. Yeah, they're on the left hand side. And you see that the mouse definitely makes life easier. So click Terrarium TV. Alright, awesome. This is going a lot smoother. I can tell this is going to go quick now. So click the little triangle, actually click the 3 lines in the top left corner there. And select movies. Great, so here's our movie selection. If you click the little arrow right there, or click the word most popular. Yeah, the little arrow right there. Perfect. Click right there. And you have all the different selections, most popular in theaters, new HD releases. Let's click in theaters or whatever else if you see, if there's anything else that interests you.
Okay, well, I'd like to know how to do something else with this certificate, like just regular movies or what else.
Yeah. Well, like if you look at the entire screen, you'll notice at the very top, in the top right corner, you have a little search loop. It's a magnifying glass looking thing. If you wanted to search for an individual movie, you could do it that way. You also have that little star there for your favorites. And then all the way to the right is three little dots. And that'll get you some more settings. If you wanted to click that just so you could see what it is, you know, you could click it. The last one to the right, you know?
More options?
Yeah, so if you wanted to click that, you could click more options if you wanted to. Yeah.
Okay, and then if I click the magnifying glass, what does that do?
That's for searching. So here you see you can search for movies, or if you click TV shows, you could also search for TV shows.
Okay, but you can't search people on that.
People, no.
Okay.
Now on your mouse, a great little shortcut for you is right click. So if you look at your mouse, you have 2 buttons, one to the left and one to the right.
Yeah.
Alright, so the one to the left, we'll call that left click, and the one to the right, we'll call that right click. So left click will be to select. Now on Android, if you press right click, it takes you back 1 step. It's like the little U-turn button on your remote control.
Okay.
So if you right click once,
Click once on the right-hand side?
right click, yes. That dropped the Android keyboard. Now right click again. So click on anything. Left click. Click on something with the left. That's selected.
Okay, now that thing that's popping at me on the right, you want me to click on that?
Well, if you wanted to play that movie, yeah, absolutely. Go ahead.
Boy, that thing comes very poorly. I don't know if it's just the way they move to make the movie just poorly or what.
Yeah, well,
Click on it.
perfect. So what's happening now is it's searching. And it's going to give you a list of all the different places that you can watch whatever it is that you selected. So the longer you wait, the more choices that will come up. So if one of them doesn't work, don't worry about it. Just you'll go backwards, which will be right click, and click it again. So some people have certain names that they like. I don't even care what the names are. I just select the top one and I go down the list in order. And now it's asking you, what do you want to do? Do you want to play it? Do you want to play it with subtitles? Would you like to download it? I'm just going to tell you to play.
And on the other one, I called you, the movie that was supposed to be playing wasn't playing 90% of the time.
Yeah, it's just a pain. Yeah, Kode's a pain, brother. I barely use Kode. It's still got some great add-ons, and if you know how to use it, it's not bad. But this for me is easier, and you have to admit that it's easier to use than Kode, and you got the all the movies that you wanted right there.
It doesn't crash that much.
Nah, because you see it's playing now. Once it's playing, you're good. So you're set up now. You got movies, you got TV shows, you got a lot of stuff now. So from the home button, remember you got in your home, you got the Avenger Store, you have Kode, you have QuickSupport. Under video, we've made some shortcuts to some other applications that you can try, right? Like you have Showbox now because you have a mouse. This is one of the worst things about using these apps is that you get these little pop-ups, right? So when you see this here, it's a commercial. So to get rid of it, you can either click down here where it says no thanks, or maybe there'll be like a little X or something that you can push, or I believe you can also right click. So try right clicking first. Perfect. So this one is set up very similar to Terrarium TV. In the top left corner, you have 3 lines.
Okay, so this is Showtime.
This is Showbox.
Showbox. And
Right.
now I've got this Terrarium too, right?
Yeah, so now click on the top left corner.
Okay.
Alright. So this one has trending movies, TV shows, some new stuff, trailers, favorites, downloads. You got a lot of different apps, and basically what I want you to do is just kind of explore around and have some fun with it. You can also find this kind of stuff also in Kode. You also have some channels in FreeFlix HQ. All right, so I've been on the line with the guy for quite some time. At this point, he asked me where he can get some live TV. I suggested perhaps Mobdro. If you haven't heard of Mobdro, check out this video right here. It'll show you how to install the Avenger Store, where you can find Mobdro easily. There you go. You can click on news, you can click on channels, you can show shows, movies, sports.
Okay, I've got this under control where I can try to find, CNN where it comes in good and stuff like that.
Don't even worry about it if you mess it up, because even if it's your fault, I'm still going to cover you for 1 year. All right, everybody, that's the end of this video. I edited a little bit to go ahead and shorten it. This call originally lasted about an hour. I wanted to make sure that I spent some time with the guy so he understood how to use the unit. We working with his Asset S912. You can go ahead and check out the specs right here on the Amazon listing. There will be a link in the description. So we want to know what you think. Is our customer support on point? Do you really think our unit is a great value for the clients? How do you feel about American tech and warranty support? Make sure you comment below. We want to hear what you've had to say. And as always, we appreciate you watching. Have a great day.